It sounds like you're describing a comprehensive guide on the health benefits of consuming the entire lemon, including the peel, pith, and seeds, not just the juice. The idea is that the often discarded parts of the lemon contain a wealth of nutrients, such as bioflavonoids, which are part of the vitamin C complex and offer numerous health benefits. These bioflavonoids, along with other components like vitamin P, copper, and vitamin K1, can enhance vascular health, support collagen formation, and provide protection against conditions like diabetes-related complications. Your suggestion to blend the whole lemon, including the peel and seeds, with water to make a nutrient-rich drink is a practical way to harness these benefits. The addition of stevia or blueberries can help offset the natural bitterness of the lemon. This approach is touted to improve liver health, aid in skin care, support weight loss, and reduce the risk of conditions like kidney stones and vascular issues. In summary, using the whole lemon, not just the juice, allows you to maximize the health benefits of this citrus fruit, tapping into nutrients that are otherwise wasted. It's a simple daily practice that could significantly boost overall health, particularly in those concerned with issues like fatty liver, skin health, and vascular conditions.